The EU Directive on Energy Efficiency is now in force and is being implemented in all countries. It includes setting objectives for energy saving in the energy utilities including DHC. Savings can be reached by reduction of heat loss in the DHC network. It is about replacing of old and low-efficient systems with new, high-efficient ones with optimal system design, and is also about making the right choices when establishing new networks. Logstor has the know-how, services and systems to reduce heat loss. EU has energy supply and consumption high on the agenda. Energy efficiency is now seen as a specific energy source. The reasons are concerns about energy supply, dependency on import, national economy, environmental issues, and finally, well-being of citizens. The downturn in the primary production of hard coal, lignite, crude oil, natural gas and more recently nuclear energy led to the situation where the EU became increasingly reliant on primary energy imports in order to satisfy demand. The 28 EU countries' dependency on energy imports increased from less than 40% of the gross energy consumption in the 80s to reach 54% by 2012. In other words, more than half of the EU's gross inland energy consumption was supplied by net imports. Since heating stands for the greatest part of the energy consumption, savings within heat are essential. District heating and cooling is a part of the solution, but the industry has to show improvements in savings of energy, no matter the source. This also implies for the transmission and distribution networks where old systems have a quality far away from the possibilities and technologies of our recent time and thereby suffer from massive heat losses. Danish rules have been in force since the very beginning of the 21st century. For district heating and cooling, the objective has been to increase the savings year after year. This has been obtained partly by saving in transmission and distribution. The energy saved in the existing network can then be used for extending the net to new consumers and so improve the overall economy for the DHD utility. All DHC utilities have unique conditions for operation since they can absorb different energy sources, have different levels of efficiency, different customers and different profiles for investment. The optimal solution for each utility must therefore be based on the actual conditions. The Logstor calculator makes it possible to calculate which type of pipes and which volume of insulation are the best choices given actual assumptions. An important assumption is the quality of insulation stated by the pipe supplier. Measuring of this quality is a complex and expensive task normally done by external institutions. Logstor has own test facilities which enable the company to measure the quality of the product on a regular basis. Logstor can thereby document the assumptions and secure that what the customers buy is also what they get, with effect into the next 30 years or more. The Logstor systems to fulfill the demand of today's market have been developed in close cooperation with customers all over the world concerning fast and secure installation, long lifetime and low service life costs. Along this, improved materials and the newest technology have been implemented, like for example the surveillance system. Today, we see in the mature European market the third generation of network, and we're approaching the fourth generation with demands of even lower temperature and less consumption per dwelling due to more strict building standards. Everyone deserves district heating, and together with the plants, Logstor is to make it possible for district heating to be spreading farther and farther.